There is one thing that I dislike from Perplexity homepage, which is this section at the bottom of the search bar. There is this weather prediction, some news from companies that I don't really care, and a lot of times these can be very distracting. So previously I have made a tutorial video on how you can remove this element on the Perplexity homepage, which is by using a Chrome extension called click to remove element. This is available for free. You can actually download and install the extension to your browser via Chrome Web Store. But now you don't have to use this extension anymore because Perplexity has added a new feature to deactivate this element, which means this menu, this news and weather prediction, can be removed not only on the desktop but also on the mobile version. So to remove this, you can navigate to your profile picture and then go to appearance right here and just wait for the menu to open. And here you want to disable homepage widgets. Just disable the menu, and after that you can go back to the homepage and it is gone. Again, this setting will be applied even on the mobile version, which I think makes a lot of sense. You don't want to be bloated with a lot of menus that are not useful and kind of distracting. So yeah, go ahead and apply the setting. I highly recommend to do that because they are usually not very useful anyway. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.